Why choose Main Street Cleaning and Restoration for your residential and commercial Orlando floor cleaning needs? With over 30 years of experience in restoring and maintaining residential and commercial flooring, Main Street Cleaning can keep your home and business looking its finest. Our technicians are IICRC certified, and Main Street Cleaning has received the Superior Service Award from Angie's List multiple times. Main Street Cleaning specializes in all types of Orlando floor cleaning, including marble, travertine, terrazzo, as well as tile and grout cleaning. Our employees are trained and equipped to handle these services on both a large and small scale. Whether you're looking for a full-scale residential or commercial facelift, or just want a maintenance clean. Regardless of the size of your project, we understand that flooring is an investment, and we promise to provide sound, practical advice and superior service. We have extensive knowledge in problem solving, the industry's most powerful truck-mounted hot water extraction equipment, and are prepared to customize our services around your work schedule. For more information or to schedule your Orlando floor cleaning, visit mainstreetcleaning.com or call 407-299-7971 today.